President Aquino has made another pitch for administration candidates in the coming elections. This morning, the president was in Quezon City where he joined a Liberal Party rally. Elena Luna filed this report.
After slowing down due to fever, President Aquino resumed his public appearances, starting in Quezon City where he reminded voters to choose candidates who will help push reforms in government.
Sa kabila ng ating mga tagumpay, batid natin hindi pa tapos ang laban. Huwag nating hayaang mabugbog muli ng katiwalian at kahirapan ang ating bansa. Piliin natin ang mga pinunong ipaglalaban ang kolektibo nating hangarin bilang nagkakaisang bayan. Ang tagumpay natin sa darating na halalan ay hindi lamang tagumpay ng Team Pinoy, hindi lamang tagumpay na makakalimutan. Ito po ay tagumpay ng ating mga boss, ang sambayanang Pilipino.
In a press briefing, the president revealed speaking to candidates of Team Pinoy said to be in disagreement with each other. The president personally spoke to Senators Loren Legarda and Cheese Escudero. DILG Secretary Mar Rojas gave a hand by talking to Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
Tuloy-tuloy po yung dialogo natin. Hindi naman ito, parang huminto na rin yung bangayan. Pinalala rin natin na patapos na itong eleksyon. Pwede i-resolve yan later on. Tandaan na natin yung motivation. Sino ba makikinabang kung mag-away-away tayo dito sa team? So, I think all the candidates have responded to our appeals and together with the rest of the team, and they're conscious that this is, ito pinaglalaban natin para sa tao, hindi para sa individual. No? Para sa ating mga kababayan, para sa musang bayan ng Pilipino, and they will ready to set aside their personal interest for the sake of our people.
9 of Team Pinoy's candidates made it to the recent survey of the social weather stations. When asked about the remaining 3 Team Pinoy senatoriables, he said he will just keep quiet and wait for the election result.
Hindi tayo maasa sa Pinoy Magic, maasa tayo sa sambayanan. Parati ko sinasabi, mga boss ko, ang bahala sa akin, nakasandal ako sila nagbibigay ng lakas, sila magsasabi kung sino ang karapat-dapat. At doon po nagmumula yung tiwala natin.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.